A couple of people have asked me about the camera on the Magic E7. So as you can see now, my machine now has a blue light at the top. Normally it has a red light because I don't use the camera myself, but I'll just show you quickly. So I have set a copper disc in the clamp there. I hope you can see that because I'm not able to change the focus. So the camera is on. So that's showing in the software now. You can see the clamp and the disc in the middle. So I've just typed in there. I'll just get rid of that and do that again. So you can line up whatever you want to line up actually live on the camera. There is a bit of a delay usually. You can refresh it, sorry, whenever you want to. And I don't know if you can see very clearly on this camera, but to the right of the screen you've got camera on and off. So that's on, that's just refreshing, and that's off. There we go. So there we go, as requested, the camera.